G'day and welcome to this week's video. This week we're going to have a quick chat about capital raisings and share purchase plans and entitlement offers. We just did a podcast and I thought we'd just cover off on some of the main points. So Amy, if you'd like to kick off on what is a capital raise or what is a entitlement offer or a share purchase plan?
So generally when you purchase shares, you might do it through an online platform, a broker, where you ask them to purchase some shares on your behalf in a company. Now, a few years down the track, you own this company via that brokerage purchase, but a share purchase plan then allows the company to reach out directly to you, an owner in their business, to purchase more of the company. So that is a share purchase plan, and an entitlement offer is similar to that in the way that a company can reach out directly to you and avoid that third-party broker, but an entitlement offer allows you to purchase the shares proportionately with how many shares you already own, whereas a share purchase plan just allows you to purchase up to $30,000 in that company.
So in a practical sense, $30,000 up to $30,000 a share purchase plan, or an entitlement offer might be car sales that we just had, where for every 14.01 shares that you currently own, they would offer you one new share at a discount, and that's the carrot. So the company's trying to raise capital to further the business in some particular way, and we'll talk about that next. But they will provide a discount as encouragement for existing shareholders, including retail shareholders like us, and also the big institutions like the fund managers, the superannuation funds, the big investment banks. Give them a carrot to participate. So Amy, why would they look to raise capital?
A company may want to raise capital because they want to acquire another business. So in the car sales instance, they were wanting to purchase Web Motors, which was a Brazilian business in the same space as car sales, so automotive sales via the internet. It may be because they want to increase the healthiness of their financial balance sheets. So you really do want to delve into why the business is acquiring or why the business is raising their capital. Is it because they're acquiring their business for future revenue growth, or is it because they're trying to fix up some mistakes they may have made in the past? And that will be a big determination if you want to take up that share purchase plan or not.
Things you should think about is what is the discount to the current share price, because that's the carrot, and what they're using the capital for. If they're acquiring businesses, we always see that as a pretty attractive thing, because they are looking to grow their business, grow revenue and profitability for the longer term. Anything else we should think of?
I suppose, as with you, when you buy any shares, you want to reassess the company that you're looking at. Do you still believe in what they do? Are they increasing their revenues as it is, or are they really relying on this purchase to increase their revenue? Financial health, company performance, your time horizon as well. Are you going to be holding these shares for a while and be able to ride out any losses that may happen in the short term, because that's quite common.
And we see that a discount that they often provide shareholders, it might be a 15% discount, but that 15% discount, even before the offer closes, can turn into a 20% discount or a 2% discount. So the share price is still fluctuating, so keep an eye on that. But the time horizon, as Amy said, I think is absolutely vital, that people are taking a long-term approach, that you are putting more money into the business to help it grow, and you are there for the duration for many years. One other thing I believe is worth thinking about is dilution, that if you don't participate, in percentage terms, you're going to have your current shareholding is going to be less in percentage term than what it was prior. So it's worth understanding that if you don't participate, you're going to be diluted, which in percentage terms means less percentage in the business than what you already have, and hopefully in the future, if all goes well, profitability is growing, you're not going to get as big a percentage of that profitability.
Now, that's just a few things that we've talked about. If you go listen to the podcast, we really delve deep into it and discuss a few more factors, so go check that out.
Thank you very much for listening.